plan with the braking system is to incorporate the S550 Mustang brake booster, master cylinder, and brake pedal assembly. We will have to modify the cowl and firewall to get these to fit where I want them. All these components are an upgrade to the original Datsun parts. They are also cheaper and readily available. The parts used in this video cost me less than $150. I used this custom 3D printed template to outline where I need to drill into the firewall for the brake booster to fit. We'll remove a small portion of the upper cowl to get to the lower cowl, create a box so the brake pedal can sit up higher to where everything can align, and then weld everything back together. The lower cowl now open, we can cut the top part of the brake pedal off so it can be positioned higher to align with the brake booster. Brake pedal arm will be cut off and moved at a later date when I get the new seats installed so I can position the arm exactly where I want it.
Alright, I got my box finished. This is where I'm going to end the video. At a later date, we'll make some brackets coming off of this, coming up to this, weld it in place, along with welding everything on the bottom. And then we'll go ahead and seam seal all the way around. So stay tuned. That's it for this video.